Good afternoon. So today we will see why wireless communication is used. Now people nowadays are demanding the instant communication. At the same time, they do not want to stick to their desk or office. So what they want is communication at anywhere and any time, even though they are on move. That is, even we are moving, there must be a communication, and the solution for the complete mobility is only. So, wireless computing can make a significant difference in a productivity, responsiveness, and the customer. So, we can also reduce or eliminate the cabling cost and relocate devices without having to rewire our facilities. Now, wireless communication involves the transmission of information over a distance without the help of wire, cable, or any other form of electrical conductor. So, wireless communication is broad term which incorporate all the procedure and forms of connecting and communicating between two or more devices using a wireless signal through a wireless communication technologies and devices. Now, what are the features of this wireless communication? The evolution of wireless communication has brought many advancements with its effective feature. So, the transmitted distance can be anywhere between a few meters, for example, a television's remote control, and thousands of kilometers, for example, radio communication. So, wireless communication can be used for cellular telephony, wireless access to the internet, wireless home networking, and so on. Now, there are some other examples also of the application of radio wireless technology, which include GPS unit, garage door opener, wireless computer, mic, keyboard and headset, headphone, radio receiver, satellite television, broadcast television, and cordless telephones. So these are the features of wireless communication. Now, what are the advantages of wireless? The wireless communication involve Now, the wireless communication involves transfer of information without any physical connection between two or more points, and because of this absence of any physical infrastructure, the wireless communication has certain advantages, and this would often include a collapsing distance or a space. The wireless communication has several advancements. The most important one is the cost effectiveness. So, wired communication entails the use of connection wire. In wireless network, the communication does not require elaborate physical infrastructure or a maintenance practice, hence the cost is reduced. Now, example for this is any company providing wireless communication service does not incur a lot of cost, and as a result it is able to charge cheaply with regard to its customer. Then the next is flexibility. Wireless communication enable people to communicate regardless of their location. It is not necessary to be in an office or some telephone booth in order to pass and receive a message. So miners in the outback can rely on a satellite phone to call and thus help improve their welfare by keeping them in touch. Then convenience is one more. The wireless communication device like mobile phone are quite simple and therefore it allow anyone to use them wherever they may be. The improvement can also be seen in the speed. The network connectivity or the accessibility were much improved in accuracy and speed. The wireless technology also helps easy accessibility as the remote areas where ground lines cannot be properly laid are being easily connected to the network. Then constant connectivity, it also ensures that a people can respond to emergencies relatively quickly. The wireless communication means what? It is a transfer of information between two or more points which do not use an electrical conductor as a medium for the transfer. So most common wireless technologies use a radio waves. With radio waves which is intended distance can be a short, such as a few meters for a Bluetooth or as far as millions of kilometers for deep space radio. It encompasses a various types of fixed, mobile, and portable applications, including two-way radios, cellular telephone, personal digital assistants, and a wireless networking. Now, there are some other examples of application of radio wireless technology, which include GPS unit, garage door opener, wireless computer mouse, keyboard and headset, headphone, radio receiver, satellite television, broadcast television, and cordless telephone. So, the term wireless has been used twice in communication history with slightly different meaning, and it was initially used from about 1890 for the first radio transmitting and receiving technology, as in a wireless telegraphy. Now, mobility. The wireless network system can provide a network user with access to a real-time information anywhere in their organization, and the mobility supports productivity and service opportunities which are not possible with a wired network. So, wireless communication system using a radio frequency, infrared, microwave, or other type of electromagnetic or acoustic wave in place of wire, cable, or fiber optic to transmit a signal or data. And the wireless devices include a cell phone, two-way radios, remote garage door opener, television remote control, and a GPS receiver. The wireless modem, microwave transmitter, and a satellite make it possible to access the internet from anywhere in the world. And a wireless makeup language, that is WML, which is based on XML, is intended for use in such a narrow band devices as a cellular phone and a pagers for the transfer and display of text. Now, installation speed and simplicity. The installation a wireless network system can be a fast and easy, and it can eliminate the need to pull a cable through a walls and ceiling. So, installation flexibility. The wireless technology allows the network to go where the wire cannot go. Then the reduced cost of ownership. Now, while the initial investment of required for the wireless network hardware can be higher than the cost of wired, the network hardware overall installation expenses and life cycle cost can be significantly lower. The long term cost benefit are greatest in dynamic environment requiring a frequent moves and changes. Then scalability. The wireless network system can be configured in a variety of topologies to meet the need of specific application and installations. The configurations are easily changed and range from a peer-to-peer network which is suitable. So configurations are easily changed and range from peer-to-peer network suitable for a small number of users to full infrastructure network of thousands of users that enable a roaming over a broad area. Now, so wireless network is a grouping or a network or a multiple devices where data is sent and received over a radio frequencies. Now the wireless network are different than a wired network where one end of the data connection is physically connected by a cable to enable a communication with other end. The wireless network remove the need for fixed wire data cabling within an organization or network to connect a different endpoint computing devices such as a tablet, laptop and smartphone and embedded and a peripheral devices. Wireless network generally include some form of radio transmission for a broadcasting and receiving wireless signals across a specified range of electromagnetic radiation spectrum. So commonly referred to simply as a spectrum, and the transmission of data across a wireless network is typically done via antenna, which are often a small embedded pieces of hardware within a given device. So wireless network generally include some form of radio transmission for a broadcasting and receiving wireless signal across a specified range of electromagnetic radiation spectrum, which is commonly referred to as a spectrum. Transmission of data across a wireless network is typically done via antenna, which are often small embedded pieces of hardware within a given device. So different wireless network will use a various frequency ranges of the spectrum, and within the spectrum there are also different channels to help reduce the risk condition within a given spectrum frequency. Now, what are the disadvantages? The radio signal interference, that is, because wireless device operate using a radio signal, the potential for two type of signal interference exists. The signals from other device can disrupt what a wireless device is trying to transmit, or a wireless device may itself be a source of interference for other devices. Then the several common office devices transmit a radio signal that may interface with a WLAN. These devices also include a microwave oven, elevator, motors, and other heavy electrical equipment. So these may cause error to occur in the transmission between a wireless device and an access point. So in addition, Bluetooth and WLAN 802.11 devices both operate in same radio frequency, potentially resulting in interference between such devices. The solution for the wireless device is same as that for the standard cabled network device. So locate the source of interference and eliminate it, and this usually is resolved by moving a photocopier or a microwave oven across the room or another room. So in addition, many wireless devices can identify that an error has occurred in the transmission and retransmit the data as necessary. Okay.